guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Sha'Naya if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing my side hustle and I'm taking y'all along with me just a little bit. Just want to show you guys how I bring in extra money each week to make sure, you know, got some food, keeping the bills straight, and I'm able to do whatever I need to do or whatever I want to do. I'm not busy right now, but it should be picking up real soon because it is 4 o'clock. There's a peak pay going on today from 4 to 8, so I will be participating in that. I'm not gonna go into full detail. I started doing this in September when my business had slowed down, and yeah, this is my fourth source of income. My business is my main source of income. Then I have this, YouTube pays me, and I also, whenever I do like a brand sponsorship deal, whatever, I get paid from those. So I currently have 4 sources of income, and I'm just looking for more ways to get more, okay? Because you can never have too much money. Whenever it picks up, I will come back and we just gonna be riding and delivering, okay? But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, leave a like, a comment, and yeah. So I picked up my first order from Jason's Deli. I'm on my way to them. I'm 5 minutes away and I'm about to be late because, you know, it's traffic. Everybody's trying to get home. Just the only thing I hate about it is that, like, literally around 4 or 5 is lots of traffic. So right now I'm on my way to Applebee's. I forgot to take a freaking screenshot, but it was $8, 3.4 miles. So on my way there now to pick it up, and then we're gonna drop it off. So I got the order for Chandrika. I am 3 minutes away and I'm gonna be arriving on time. Hopefully. It's still traffic out here, but whatever. 3 minutes away. So I'm currently on my way to Jason's Deli. I'm literally not that far away. That last order just stressed me out so bad, bro. Like, the GPS did me so dirty. Sometimes I may be like a minute or two late, but I'm never extremely late to my customers, bro. The GPS did me dirty. They literally put me on the interstate. I did not have to go on the interstate. Like, they said the destination was on the interstate. The lady was not on the interstate. She lives in an apartment. Turn left. So I'm on my way to Marissa now. She lives in an apartment. I've been to these apartments before. Sometimes I take the further orders because it ends up being more. Continue on Jefferson Avenue for 3/4 of a mile. And I'll be getting there at 6:01. It says I have to deliver it by 6:12, so we good. I think we're back on track. Just had two late experiences, but we should be good now. Down to Siemens Way. So yeah, I will see y'all once I get there. So it's currently 6:05. I've done 3 orders so far and I made $27.75. So is that bad? I'm about to head back on my side of town and get back to it. Peak pay ends at 8, so we got less than 2 hours. Hello, picking up for Daniel M.
Daniel M. Okay, when it's ready, I'll bring it out, okay?
Okay, thank you. We love that, okay? We love when we don't have to get out the car. But they just bring it to us. We love that. I try to only take $6.50 and up. Sometimes I'll do $6, but usually I'll try to stick with like $6.50 and up. Y'all, it's so cold. We love the sweet customers that tip more. So that was originally $7.50 and it turned out to be $9.50. So It's extra $2. We love that. I have both orders. Bro, the Mexican restaurant was really busy tonight, so it took forever. I don't know why they sent me to the Mexican restaurant first instead of Panera Bread, because I was supposed to pick up Panera Bread at 7:02 and the Mexican restaurant at 7:12. So I was really late picking up the one from Panera Bread. I don't know what's going on tonight, but I feel like me filming this video just gave me all types of bad luck. Like, bro, what is going on? Tonight is not my night. Like, it's a good night because I'm making some money, but me just being late to everything is not it. Like, luckily their houses are not far. So I just accepted another order from Panera. I think it was like 1.7 miles. I have it on the screen. $7. It's 7:48. Pickup time is at 7:54. So I'm about to just sit here and like breathe. I'm tired, bro. The lady that I just dropped off to the Mexican food, she act like she didn't want to speak for real. Like, bro, if I'm ever late, trust me, it's not my fault. It's their fault. They not done with your food. Like, don't act stink. I got the order for Olivia. I'm only 5 minutes away. I should get there by 7:57, and I have until 8:04. So let's go drop off this food. $8.26 and I have $64. When I first started doing DoorDash, my goal was to get 60 or at least like 65, but now I try to aim for 100. Sometimes that don't work out. Like, I'm feeling like today it might not work out because I don't think it's busy. Because if it was busy, I would literally be getting orders right now, like back to back. So I must have slowed down. So I forgot the screenshot once again, but this one is 650 and I think it's at like 1.2 miles, so it's not bad at all. I'm at Chili's, so I'm just waiting for somebody to come outside. Hopefully they do, because I do not feel like getting out the car.
Here's the bag. And here's the drink.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good night.
You too. Goodness, bro. So I'm not gonna be able to record when I get there. I have 4 drinks and a big bag, so this a family, okay? We're back at Chili's. This one is actually $6, but it's not too far. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. So glad that was fast. All right, let's go. Going back to my hot spots. It is 9:22. I'm not gonna be out for too much longer. I really feel like it's dry right now, or maybe busy with boo-boo orders. Like, literally, what is this? I can't see. Come on, fuck, go away. $5 order. No, we definitely don't do $5. We haven't did that since what, the first day. So I have $77.97 right now. Can we get to 80? I think we can. Yeah, they coming in, but they're not good. I'm not going to nobody's mall. I know that much. Okay, so I'm home now. Just pull up. Let me hurry up so I can go in the house. I ended the night off with $83.97. I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see. I feel like I could have did better, but I also feel like the tips tonight weren't that good. Usually I can get about $14 in tips, like from just one order. $10 in tips. I don't think I got any orders like that tonight, but I'm still grateful for what I did receive. Tonight just wasn't a good night, and I feel like it's because I was recording, because I definitely would get like $10 in tips, $5 in tips, $10 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 in tips 11, 12. Like, I get some good tips, but tonight it just wasn't hitting. So it'll probably be hitting tomorrow for real. Tomorrow, Saturday. But yeah, so that's what I end the night off with. This is what I do to bring some extra money in. This really helps out a lot. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'll probably do another one sometime in the future. If you are new here and you have not hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so before you leave. Do not forget to like and comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Have a great night. I'm saying night because it's nighttime here.